Cybersecurity issues are one of the hottest topics in K-12 emergency planning today. As we work through them, we must realize that cybersecurity is a team effort.
Too often, the issue of cybersecurity is viewed as a technical issue, something for IT professionals to take care of, and that other school administrators, educators, parents, students themselves maybe don't really have a role in protecting themselves from these sorts of risks, or maybe that it would be too complicated. So I think that is very much a notion that needs to get dispelled. Everyone has a role to play with respect to cybersecurity, and there are critically important roles for school leadership in particular to set those priorities and manage all of the risks, whether they're physical or digital, facing a school community. So I think for school systems looking to do more and do better, I think I have a couple of suggestions. The first is it is critically important, at least once a year, to sit down across departments and hold a tabletop exercise, a hypothetical, walk through a hypothetical scenario of how your school system would respond in case of a sort of common cyber incident, like a ransomware attack or a significant outage of services.
Ready to take your school's cyber protection to the next level? The U.S. Department of Education and its REMS TA Center have created several cybersecurity resources for K-12 schools, including a tabletop exercise like the one Doug mentioned. Our cybersecurity tabletop exercise can be found under Hazards and Threats on our Training Packages page. This free download comes with complete instructions, a presentation sheet, a resource list, and, of course, a practice scenario that you can use at your next staff training. We also recommend that you download our Cybersecurity for Schools fact sheet, a great first step in helping your school improve its cybersecurity posture. Find this resource by visiting our cybersecurity preparedness page and clicking on Fact Sheet on the left toolbar. Remember, cybersecurity is a shared responsibility. Thank you for your efforts to protect our nation's schools.